Hey guys, how y'all doing today? I'm working on a 98 Honda CR-V, changing out the tie rod, outer tie rod end. Just came in the mail, so I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on it because they're not that hard to do. But the only thing is you have to get your alignment done after you do them, and they really specify that you do driver's side and passenger side because it will really throw your alignment off. So I got two of them, one for each side. So I'm gonna do both outer tie rod ends. I'm doing the driver's side now just to give you an idea. Now, this bolt is what you have to loosen in order for you to be able to spin this tie rod off. Now, I like the new tie rod that I'm getting because it has a grease fitting on the top, so you can keep greasing that thing to make it last longer at every oil change. So that, I thought that was a cool feature on this one. The original didn't have it. So now, what I did, jack the car up. I got two jacks on it. Jack the car up. I got it blocked in the back. Okay, and got my parking brake on. So what I did was, once I took it all the way off, sometimes these could be a beast to get off, but I actually worked on this car before, so I actually loosened this once before, so it actually came off pretty good. So what you want to do is, if you're having trouble and wants to be stubborn, you actually take a rubber mallet here. Say if you're putting the thing back on, say if you're changing out the CV joint, like that's what I had to do, changed out this CV joint, then you don't want to damage the boot with a hammer. It's kind of hard. So what I did was I put that nut back on. Try to hold this steady for you guys. Then I just took a hammer and just kept popping it, boom, and it eventually came up. Now with this old one, you ain't worried about damaging the thread, so it doesn't matter. But if you want to keep that tie rod, if you're just changing something and you got to take that off, like I had to change the CV joint, so I had to take it off, then you will wash that boot. But otherwise, you wouldn't even care. Like I showed you, it's all busted. This tie rod is trash. You can see it's got a lot of grit in it, and it just had a lot of plainage, just like it is now, but it was tight. So I knew that was the reason for my knock that I was driving with. So once you get that, you don't want to slide it back in. And I actually popped this first. This was fairly easy. I just took some penetrating oil. I'll show you that. The PB Blaster. Everybody knows PB Blaster. Alright, so then what I did was, now this is important. Like I said, you're going to have to get it aligned. But you just unscrew it a little bit. And you just pop it out. Now what you want to do, I'm facing down, as you can see here, right? When you're loosening it, you want to count each turn. Alright, so that's going to kind of keep you close to your alignment, because you're going to have to drive this to get it aligned. So you don't want to take it too far out of the way. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. Now I already took this off. This will give you an idea. I went to 17, so I'm not going to waste your time with that. But you want to count each turn, because you're going to take that number and tighten the new one back up the same way. 17. So I took 17 off. I'm gonna do 17 back on. Now some guys mark the nut and then go from there, but I'm just choosing to do this way because I'm still going to take it to the mechanic to get it aligned, because I don't want no issues with it eating up my tires and all that stuff. Okay, so that's just a quick tutorial. This is going to come right off. And there you have it. The tire joint's going to be off. The tie rod end, this is the outer tie rod. That's the inner. My inner is good, so I'm going to leave that be. And I got my new one here. Put my grease fitting on. And then go from there. So hopefully that'll help you guys.